What is up, guys? So we have the boys from the U.S. Navy right here. We got the... What's your name again, bro?
Brian.
Brian?
Yeah.
Brian, so what did you cop today, guys?
Got me an
Let's see them.
essential shirt.
Essential
And I got
shirt.
the new
era.
The new era beanie. You know what I'm saying? Never seen it in America. About to take it back. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Represent.
How about my guy right here?
No, Kel. You know we got the
Look,
sleeping
let's
bag.
switch it.
Now. Pull it out.
Woo!
And
One of
had to
one
cop-
in the store.
And had to cop store apparel.
Oh, thank you, my guy. Thank you, my
Had to show
guy.
love. Had to show love.
And then how about our friend right here?
What's up? I got the CDG lows.
CDG Lows.
CDG lows. Oh, they're in this bitch.
Last pair. Our boys right here has the big foot, so we still have one. Still have one.
101, baby.
And just got the essential shirt, you know what I'm saying, light work.
Light work.
Light work.
Something slight, you know? Something slight. And we appreciate it though, my boy.
And appreciate you guys dropping by.
For sure.
And I hope we can see you soon.
Yeah.
You got some shout outs, your friends from the US?
Shit, shout out Cali.
Cali.
Shout out my boys from Georgia, man. You feel me?
Big
You know
shout
we
out
hold it down,
Florida,
man.
man.
And again, thank you to the guy right here.
Yeah,
Ray
that's the
Martin.
plug out there. That's the plug out there. Hell yeah.
The
We
vlog
appreciate
right
y'all,
here.
man. Much
Okay,
love,
appreciate
much
guys.
love.
Oh,
Take
y'all got
care.
YouTube channel?
Follow us. Shulab Manila. Shulab Manila.
Shulab Manila. Easy
Yeah,
thing. Got you, bro.
Hey guys, can we take a picture together?
100%.
Yeah,
I want to
yeah.
definitely want to flick up.
Dami naman yan, Pars.
Yes sir, so dumating na guys yung inaabangan natin.
Yun nga.
Sheesh! Meron tayong mga GS size, saktong-sakto sa mga women's na mahilig sa mga ganitong kulay.
Eto GS size to. Pati
Oh,
pati nga,
yes.
ano bang meron dyan sa ano?
Jordan 1 Low OG na black toe guys. Hype na hype to ngayon. Meron tayong full size run guys. Men's and women's sizes available.
Ang dami nga nito. Ito.
Yes sir.
Ito, men's yan. May men's at women's na to. Tapos, may unbox pa tayong...
May unbox pa tayo isa na malupit na bagong release.
Ayan, sige. Ayusin muna natin.
Abangan nyo.
Sige. Ayusin muna natin. Tara. Abangan na. What it is, fam? Welcome back to another episode. First of all, maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng sumuporta sa recently natin na uploaded na vlog, which is ang Manila Sneaker Expo 13. I hope nagustuhan nyo ngayon. Now, meron naman tayong special vlog na gagawin kasi kung napansin nyo, meron tayong release recently collaboration ng Kit and Adidas. At the same time, meron tayong i-unbox na bagong colorway ng Jordan 1. Hi, and I can't wait na ipakita sa inyo. Huwag na natin patagalin to. Let's get into it. So ayan, unahin naman natin for today is ang recently na collaboration ng Kit and Adidas. Limited release lang siya na nilabas sa website ng Kit and luckily nakakuha tayo. So this is Kit Adidas Torsion Edberg in white and royal blue colorway. So, first impression, sa box, sobrang clean and minimalist lang ang ginawa nila. It comes with a black and white na box. Then, may kita nyo yung 3 stripes all over the box. Pero, yan, wala siya sa ilalim. Dito lang siya sa may taas. Then, may kita nyo yung Kit Adidas branding dito sa may gilid. This is a size 9 with the official SKU of IE7749. And, ayan, ang box na natin. Yan. So yun guys, pagkabukas yun ng box, makikita nyo kagad. It comes with extra flat laces in, I think this is, may pagka-cream colorway siya. Tapos ang ganda dahil nilagyan ng Adidas ng parang cover or packaging niya dito. At the same time, nagulat ako dahil naglabas din sila ng extra na insole dito, guys. Yan. Which is, I think, nakikita rin natin to sa mga insoles ng mga ibang Adidas na styles. Pero dito may kita nyo, meron siyang Adidas and Kit na logo. Dito nakalagay sa may insole, nakalagay na Torsion Edberg competition in 1990. So kung napapansin nyo pala guys, ang Kit Adidas, yung recently nilabas nila na collaboration is 3 ang nilabas nila. Meron silang Rod Laver, or I think meron ding nilabas na IL competition. So itong nakuha natin, this is the Edberg competition. So ayan, buksan na natin. Sheesh! Eto guys. So ayun kung napapansin nyo, medyo sumisikat na rin yung style ng ganito, which is medyo bulky or parang NB 550 na style. Ayan, sobrang ganda dahil nakita ko kagad dito. Material na ginamit nila is Novak leather. Makikita nyo dito sa tang, makikita nyo yung Adidas logo, trefoil, at the same time 1990 tsaka yung kit. Then meron din siyang kasama na lace locks dito na nakalagay with Adidas branding, then torsion. And I think based on sa mga napanood ko is this release is mostly para sa mga tennis lifestyle shoes siya. So ayan, kung makikita nyo dito sa may toe box, ayan, makikita nyo yung full no-back leather na may konting gray suede dito sa may harap. And then para siyang may canvas dito na hindi ko alam kung strap ba siya or something sa loob, pero it goes inside papunta sa may tang. Then may kita nyo dito sa side panel naman niya, 3 stripes na may leather. The same time, dito sa may bandang inside niya is rubber material yung ginamit nila. And then sa midsole naman, may kita nyo, aged midsole lang ginamit nila dito. So may pagka-cream type siya na color. Then may kita nyo yung trefoil logo ng Adidas dito. And then sa back tab naman, may kita nyo yung kit na branding torsion nakalagay din. Magkaiba sila sa right pair, which is ang nakalagay Adidas torsion naman. And then sa midsole, sa sole naman, may kita nyo. Ayan, ikot, wait lang. Ayan. Medyo magulo So, sa midsole, may kita nyo yung branding ng Adidas logo. Walang kit na nakalagay or anything. Then, hindi siya like yung pantay na sole, like yung mga ordinary na Stan Smith or tulad nung nilabas nila na Rod Laver, which is flat na sole lang siya. Dito may konting parang, feel ko ito yung technology na nilagay nila when it comes dito sa Edberg. So, ayan, this is a special pre-order sa client natin. So, before siya i-pick up later, buti nagkaroon tayo ng chance para i-unbox. So, ayan, next naman tayo. So, dito naman tayo sa isa sa mga inaabangan ko for this year. This is the Jordan 1 High Palomino. Grabe guys, kung titignan nyo sa box pa lang, sobrang elegant, sobrang minimalist style. May kita nyo dito, Nike logo, foil type na metallic gold ang ginamit nila. All over yan guys. May kita nyo yan, Nike branding logo. This is a size 11 with the official SKU of DZ 5485020 metallic gold palomino. Sobrang excited na ako. Unbox na natin agad, guys. Shush! Grabe, guys. Pakita muna natin lahat yung buong sneaker sa inyo. Patong natin siya dito. Ayan. So, this is the Air Jordan 1 High Palomino. Ayan. So, ayan. May kita nyo, guys. Gumamit sila ng no-buck leather. At the same time, suede dito. So kung nakikita nyo yung color blocking, para siyang Jordan 1 na bread. Ang color blocking niya, medyo mas dominant ang black. Ang isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito is yung gold accents niya dito sa may tang. So talagang mag-i-stand out siya usually pag naka-shorts ka. Or pwede siguro yung hindi masyadong bulky na pants para mag-stand out tong gold accent niya na Nike Air logo dito sa may tongue. And ayan, sobrang solid nito guys. Kung di kayo nagkaroon ng Jordan 1 high ng Mocha, this is the closest na pwede nyong kunin. I think ang pricing nito is going around 13 to 15 right now. Hindi siya like sobrang nag-hype, pero I think in the future, there's a very big chance na tumaas siya dahil color blocking wise, material wise, sobrang solid ng ginawa ng Jordan brand for this one. And I think baka nga paperso ka na to. Pero for the meantime, display muna natin siya. And ayan, pwede tayo mag-pre-order nito. Merong women's and men's sizes. Dito tayo sa left pair, kung makikita nyo. I like what they did dito sa may Jumpman logo. Kasi they use a embossed material dito sa may Jumpman logo. And then, sa may front panel, suede. And then, dito naman sa back, heel niya is suede din na material. One of the cons lang dito sa may Jordan 1 high na palomino is if you get scratches, kunyari dito sa may back panel or dito lang sa may harap, medyo magkakaroon siya ng parang white something na para siyang scratch. Kaya medyo kailangan nating mag-ingat dito sa Jordan 1 High Palomino when it comes to using it. So for me, I will rate this. Sobrang ganda niya pang denim pants, pang cargo pants. I will rate this a 9 out of 10 for me. Siguro one of the most underrated ngayon siya na Jordan 1 High, pero this is a very nice colorway. So ayun. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong unboxing natin, and if ever may gusto pa kayong mga contents na ilabas namin dito sa channel, don't hesitate to comment down below kung anong gusto nyo makita pa sa future na contents namin. At the same time, maraming salamat sa sumusuporta. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace!